Hey, we're back at it here again. Another common question you guys are asking is, is fixing the damage, but there's so many different types of damage. For instance, this one, these were sanded, but not with a sander, just by people walking on them so much over time. See this dark area? These dark stuff, those are the areas where they walked on it so many times over time and wore through the sealer. That's damaged. Now over here, these still have sealer on it, and these have rug damage on them. Now this is fixable because it's in the sealer, you see? That's why it's important to seal these tiles with a topical coating sealer like this, is because, I'll show you, they protect the tile. So you can see how it gets wet? You can see all the little beads right there. Okay, now this one back here though, that's permanent damage. The only way to fix these is to conceal them with a stain or pop them out and replace them. There's no putties or doughs or magic potions that are gonna fix those. But these though, because they have the sealer on them, and I believe there's a rug here, and the rug actually kept the floor a lot more protected. So you can see once I kind of do my thing to them, you can get rid of these damaged spots. Now, other common damages we see are tape damage, damage from water caused by potted plants. If you look over here, you can see there's white stuff along here. Their refrigerator hose line broke, and you can see that they turn the sealer white. So that's another kind of damage that happens to these type of tiles from water or tape. So you can see, if you come back here now, you can see I stripped the sealer off and all the damage went away. But the only way to get rid of those is to strip it off. And sometimes I'll do jobs where it actually pulled, the little dots actually pulled the tile off too, and you can't fix that. We'd have to replace that as well. So the purpose of telling you all these things is for a couple reasons. One, you got to protect areas that are high traffic areas so that doesn't happen. You got to protect areas like this in front of the sink, areas where you're cooking. Yeah, you could put down a rug, but you got to be careful of what type of rug. You got to use felt pads, not the rubber pads. The rubber pads just does this. So like and subscribe, stay informed, people. Remember, you're the leading cause of your floor getting bad. So if you don't follow some of these basic things I'm telling you now, over time, your floor is going to start to do these things. So like and subscribe, share, stay informed, people, stay informed. Yeah.